Assalamualaikum beautiful people, welcome back to another vlog. Acha yaar, I know I am uploading this video after like 3 weeks and I know that too most of you people don't care about it. लेकिन आज का व्लॉग हम लोग शुरू करते हैं और आज मैं दोबारा से जा रहा हूँ अपने दोस्तों के साथ और we'll probably go to bowling center in Dubai and then we'll have some dinner. मेरे साथ समी हैं. समी.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
Most of you people know
समी aka light holder.
Yeah, aka the light holder. और तो आज नवीन ने भी हमें ज्वाइन किया एक. So yeah, Naveen.
Hey,
how are you, man?
I'm fine.
Naveen was not there with us in the last vlog because of his busy schedules and meetings.
Yeah,
but
like
this time Naveen is here. So
I'm glad to have a YouTuber as a friend. Yeah. Hopefully I get famous. I get his autograph.
yeah,
maybe one day.
Sure. Okay, so once we get there in the bowling center Dubai, we'll meet you inside there because most of our friends are waiting there. Okay. So
See you guys. Bye. Office. Oh.
So we just reached Century Mall, as you can see. Naveen is here.
Yeah. So this is Century Mall, as Abdullah said. I don't know, man. I don't know what to say in the camera.
Okay, so just 3 of us has reached here in Century Mall and the other 3 guys are maybe coming by next 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll go inside there and see you there. Bye-bye. Okay, so let's have a look what these guys are buying. Naveen, what are you buying from there?
So from since Krispy Kreme we are buying chicken shawarma from.
कुछ भी
Chicken shawarma from Krispy Kreme.
Yes.
Oh really?
Yes.
Crispy shawarma donut.
Yeah.
Shawarma donut.
Yeah. That's all.
Sami?
Our donuts. Waiting for the boys.
Shahan, how are you, man?
Fine.
Tu kab aaya?
Mohammed has a beer.
Okay. Where is Muhammad? Maybe they're in the washroom, huh? Shahan just joined us and we're waiting for someone here. Hey, Sami, is that the same meme guy?
Yes, it is.
Ooh, we need some autograph, man. We need some autograph. Bro, what's your name?
My name is Assalamualaikum bro.
Okay, so Muhammad is here with us. In the last vlog, he cannot join us because he has some business meetings and all.
I was in office.
Jalil, Muhammad was in office, so. Okay, so we just appointed him for today. Busy people, businessmen. So.
Busy schedule.
Muhammad, where are you going?
ये Fortuner है मोहम्मद.
Oh, this is Fortuner.
Yes.
What is getting from Karshan?
Lungi.
Lungi.
Namaz.
Okay, lungi. Just show it now.
What do you want to say in lungi?
You got Land Cruiser now.
Yeah.
Or Muhammad, what do you want to say to small YouTube family?
Always pray 5 times a day. Yeah.
Halal chance.
Yeah, halal.
So you celebrated to halal today,
Halloween.
like Halalween, not Halloween, bro. Halalween.
Halloween I'm celebrating now. Halloween I did not celebrate.
That's nice. तो अभी सारे हमारे दोस्त आ गए हैं. Danish is here, Shayan, Naveen, Muhammad, everyone is here, and we are ordering something from Pizza Hut. Danish, how are you, man?
Alhamdulillah, good. How are you guys?
I'm good. When you came?
I just came now.
Bro,
I
just use
came
the
right
thing
now.
and
Just finished.
What's the plan now? Like
Now
we are.
we'll order pizza and we'll go to pizza.
Mumza, what's the plan? Mumza bowling.
We'll skip bowling for now and we'll go enjoy in Mamzar.
All right. Shan, what you guys order?
LIMO pizza, which was 2 chicken runs, chicken runs and 1 barbecue.
1 barbecue, 2 chicken ranch.
Hopefully they'll give discount. And this new how much?
You make it there. It's an electric stuff.
Yeah, yeah,
like that.
bro.
They made it
we
there.
bought one. Yeah. No, we got from one of them. From
Okay,
that.
they were making it
Yeah.
there.
That like creep, you know, that creep thing.
Yeah.
They were making fresh.
What a recording is going on? I didn't notice.
Yeah, bro. I didn't notice.
Story time. Story time.
Story time. So.
Sami, what you're holding?
Oh, it's
Drinks.
Mountain Dew, as you can see.
The Mountain Dew is in your hand. That's Pepsi.
This is 7 Up.
So from here, left.
उधर लेफ्ट क्या किधर?
There is one
इधर
exit
नहीं,
there, right? See,
ये right, ये right.
See direction.
Yeah, yeah.
See,
No,
इधर से पता चलेगा.
Sami.
Over there.
एक सेकंड पकड़ो पकड़ो.
Northeast.
No, just
एक सेकंड पकड़ो यार.
So you have to go like this, then
See that new car?
No.
new car.
It is that way.
Okay.
Yeah, northeast.
वही ना.
northeast.
You can exit from here also. Exit here, take left.
वही ना इधर ही सामने.
Okay, okay.
मेरा पीछे.
No, Sami is with me. So.
मोहम्मद अभी किधर जा रहे
They
हैं?
don't need bill.
Monster
45
guy.
minutes less.
He's 45 minutes.
Yeah, but
There 1 hour is
Huh?
over.
Importantly.
Cycling in Mamza?
Everyone.
एक काम कर. Go one with Danish.
Who knows the way? Or at least hold the
Cheyenne,
phone.
Cheyenne, go with Danish.
Do one
Yeah.
thing. Danish, you come behind.
Okay.
Come behind.
You know the way?
Abdullah, where are you coming?
I have the offline
I
map.
know the way.
I have the offline map.
If you want, you can go with Danish.
Don't worry, man.
Danish is there only.
See, they both can go. You go with Danish.
Yeah.
Both.
Okay. Bro, but I don't know the way.
Mamza where? Like Mamza which side?
देख अब्दुल्ला हम ये जो रोड पे
So we are just going to Mamza beach. Instead of this bowling thing, we decided to go Mamza beach and we'll eat our that limo pizza there. So I'm going with Naveen and those all of them they are going separate in their cars. So once we like reach Mamza beach, I'll meet you.
Abdullah, big friends.
मोहम्मद रेस करनी है रेस करनी है रेस ओके नवीन पे करेगा ना
Bye.
ओके डन डन नवीन यू हैव टू विन ब्रो
Bro, 60
You have
speed
to
limit,
win, bro. Come on Naveen
Hey, fuck it.
go
Bro, it's 80, bro. This is the fuck. That was good, man.
अभी देखिए हम लोग ममज़र बीच पे आ गए और दिस इज़ आवर स्पॉट लाइक वी चूज दिस वन टू ईट ओवर पिज़्ज़ा ओके गाइस
We are rich people.
लिमो पिज़्ज़ा व्हाट्स द फ्लेवर you order right
Spicy chicken ranch.
Spicy chicken ranch, spicy chicken ranch.
barbecue. Chicken barbecue.
Spicy chicken ranch, spicy chicken ranch, spicy chicken ranch.
Caramel slices, bro.
Come on guys, have a seat.
Mr. ने बोला
You know that Jeff?
मोहम्मद
He's improved so much, bro. Today
Pizza कैसा था?
he's smashing, bro. That Jeff guy.
Jeff.
He likes the game
ठंडा
so
हो गया?
much. This is like Filipinos don't play this game much. Yeah.
how's the pizza Shah
Public property.
nice
See, that's how we become Sigma.
Nice.
Sigma.
Danish you finished
Yeah, I mean, I have another piece.
Sami
Yo guys, we are here in bowling center. Table tennis. They're playing 2v2. See this. Apna Naveen. Here 25 dirham per half an hour.
So after eating that pizza, we decided to come here in the table tennis court. And Sami, it was easy smash. Now Shahyan and Mohammed is the team. Naveen and Sami is the team. My partner is sitting there. Next game, no problem. Shahyan, a pahat serve. Same side. No. Same side. It's recording, bro. It's recording. Touch. No. It touched, bro. Come on, Shahyan. Okay. Nice, Naveen. Smash caught on camera. So these guys won the match. Two all? 3-2. They're 3, they're 2. Three all, right? Now people 7 points, right? Sami, 7 points, right? Same side. 4-3. It's 9:45. For all.
Second last match, you know?
All smashes you do. We just finished playing table tennis, so we enjoyed a lot today. We eat the limo pizza and then we came here at the table tennis courts.
2-3 minutes.
So,
Yeah, I can
Then you can show the video.
We played table tennis and with the legend, the man, the myth, the legend.
Naveen,
Yeah.
not me, Naveen.
Naveen smashes.
He's the guy who can smash so best in
Not that
batting.
good, not that
Best in class.
I can return.
Yeah, he can defense too and he can return the
He
ball.
can return.
What about Shahyan?
Shayan can do apahich.
Underdog Mohammed.
Suddenly, Mohammed is
Abdullah can.
Abdullah can sweep.
Under the table.
Under the table. But those bats were, I don't know why they.
No, they were like good grips.
If
Yeah,
anyone needs
amazing
any
bat.
cleaner, then you can call this guy.
Huh?
Any cleaner you guys need, then you can call this guy because he'll just clean like this.
Sweep shots. 5 minutes.
I'll go home like that. All of you go in one car, I'll go home like that.
Yeah, we can go.
Opposite side of Mamza.
Okay, then
We can go in Mohammed car and we can take Naveen's car and we can go.
I will
Okay.
go home like this.
See you.
Like that.
We enjoyed today, huh?
Watch the-
Listen.
Meeting tomorrow morning.
How's the camera, right?
Okay, so
facing backwards.
I'll meet you in the next video. So stay tuned until I upload the next video. So, Assalamualaikum, beautiful people.